expression of annoyance and disapproval. Number one is steups. It means to suck your teeth like this. It's not his. You're not a cat or a snake. Okay? It's steups. Number two is mutter. It means to speak under your breath in irritation, like this. Then we have shrug off. I don't care. Whatever. That is shrug off. Then we have to groan. To groan is a sound of frustration. The next on my list is snicker. To snicker, it means to laugh quietly in a mocking way, like that. Okay, the last one is to sigh. Sigh. Okay. It could also mean a sound of relief. If you got value for this, like, comment, and share so others can learn as well.